Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the ham and egg brunch bake from the Crocker Found Recipes Cookbook. I'll be starting off with 2 cups of Bisquick and adding in 1.5 cups of diced ham, half of a cup of a diced onion, and 1/3 cup of diced red and green bell pepper, 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of milk, and 2 lightly beaten eggs. Once all the ingredients are stirred together, they get transferred over into a 9-inch dish that's been greased with cooking spray. Now that I have the ingredients all evenly spread throughout my pan, I'm going to be popping it into a 375-degree oven where I'll allow it to bake for 22 to 26 minutes or until the top is a light golden brown. After 24 minutes, the top is a light golden brown, and I'll be sprinkling across an additional 3/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 2 tablespoons of mixed red and green bell pepper. This is now going to go back into the 375-degree oven where it'll bake for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese is melted. The ham and egg brunch bake is out of the oven, and I've allowed it to cool for a few minutes here on the counter, and now all I have left to do is try it out. It smells absolutely delicious. This is definitely one of the most unique breakfast bakes that I have ever made. In fact, I don't think I've even ever seen one quite like this before. The ham and peppers and onions are very well distributed throughout the whole bake. I get a little bite of them in each bite that I take. Overall, this is fabulous, and I would highly recommend it, and I would definitely be making it again. I think it's perfect just the way it is, though I could see how this could easily be customizable. Maybe add in some jalapenos and take away a little bit of the green bell pepper and switch out the ham for maybe sausage or even bacon. So I could see myself totally making this over and over again, using different ingredients every time. But that is going to be it for me for the day. So if you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.